Welcome to all of you, and today we are going to discuss natamycin. Okay, so natamycin, you can see this is the natamycin. This is the polyenes because different types of double bond is present. Okay, double bond or olefinic bond is present. Okay, and in this you can see this is the acid. Okay, and it is the six-membered oxygen-containing heterocycles. Okay, this is the carbohydrate. You can say this is the another you can say like glucose molecules. Okay, and this is olefinic, this is the acid, and this is the epoxy, means epoxy ring is present here. Okay, which is also heterocycles. Okay, so this is the structure. You can easily draw this structure by knowing the substituents which are present in this molecule. Okay, it is the large molecule, you can say. Okay, so natamycin, the generic name of this drug is pimarisine and natascin. Okay, so generic name is given. Okay, and classes of antifungal, it is the polyenes. Okay, all of you know this is the polyene because due to presence of conjugated double bond in this molecule. Okay, so it is the uh, polyenes type of antifungal. Okay, mechanism of action, if you talk about this, then what happened here? So mechanism indicate that it binds to the ergosterol in fungal membrane. Okay, ergosterol means आपका आपने ये आपका क्या हो गया, lipid phospholipid bilayer. Okay, so in this ergosterol is also present. This is the lipid molecule, these are the lipid molecule, and in between ergosterol is also present. Okay, which synthesize the also for means it is the very important constituent of the cell membrane, you can say. Okay, so it binds to the ergosterol in fungal membrane, causing membrane to become leaky, means it causing the pores like structure, means pores like structure by which uh, the cell membrane become leaky. Okay, so by which when cell membrane leaky means all the constituents can be released out from that, and cell membrane become uh, damaged. Okay, so that's why all the cell become dead. Okay, so indication, natamycin was first isolated from culture of Streptomyces matelensis. Okay, so it was culture. It was first isolated from Streptomyces natalensis. Okay, so suspension indicated for the treatment of fungal conjunctivitis, blepharitis, and keratitis. Okay, structure consists of 26-membered lactone instead of the 38 for nastin and amphotericin. Means it is the lactone. Lactone means lac lactone. Lactone means, you can say, this is a type of lactone. Lactone. Okay, this one. This is the okay. So so okay. Instead of this line says that it is large molecule as compared to amphotericin and nystatin. Okay. So the 26-member polyenes cause both K not. It is 26-member. Sorry for that. 26-member lactone instead of 38 nastin and amphotericin. Means it is the small some means size is reduced as compared to nystatin and amphotericin B. Okay, the 26-membered polyenes cause both K leakage and cell lysis. Cell lysis means cell damage at the same concentration. Okay, so okay, so it is the some means natamycin isolated means from Streptomyces natalensis. You should be know about the isolation. Actually, first of all, Streptomycin natalensis cell were cultured. Okay, and they become means all the chemicals were isolated from this species Streptomyces natalensis by applying different types of solvent system. Okay, so according to the polarity of solvent system, all the constituents will be released out. Okay, and the necessary component can be as means you can isolate a necessary component from that mix that component which is necessary. Okay, means suppose that this is the A, this is the B, this is the C, and this is the D. So all streptomyces natalensis, suppose that containing 4 molecules, and you were isolated from any chromatography technique like that. Okay, you can apply, and in this one component will be the natamycin, which you will characterize by the different spectroscopic techniques. Okay, so disposition natamycin is supplied by 5% ophthalmic suspension, means it is applied by 5% ophthalmic, okay, suspension intended for the treatment of fungal conjunctivitis and blepharitis and keratitis, means it is related to the eye infections. Okay, lots of eye infections is caused by the fungal disease. Okay, like the treatment of fungal conjunctivitis, blepharitis, and keratitis. Okay, so some adverse effect is also caused by this drug. Eye irritation, okay, redness, swelling not present prior to use. Okay, so eye irritation भी हो सकता है आपको, redness भी काज कर सकता है, and swelling भी काज कर सकता है, but swelling not prior to use, means बाद में आपको swelling के symptoms दिखाई दे सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो प्रोडक्ट आपका नाइटासिन है. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे आते हैं आपको एजोल्स एंड ट्राजोल एंटीफंगल एजेंट्स. ओके, तो आपका ये तो हो गया आपका नाइटामाइसिन, एम्फोटेरिसिन बी, नाइस्टेटिन. ओके, अब हम दूसरे क्लास की बात करेंगे इन दिस एर्गोस्टेरॉल बायोसिंथेसिस इनहिबिटर, इन विच एजोल्स एंड ट्राजोल्स इज इंक्लूडेड. ओके, so azoles and triazoles, what is the azoles, meaning of azoles and triazoles, you should be know about that. So first of all, you should be know about the azoles. Okay, so these are the azoles, means more than 2 nitrogen containing within the ring is called azole. Okay, so these are the azole ring. It is a heterocyclic aromatic ring. Okay, so azoles is this one, but triazoles, what is the triazoles? This one is the triazoles. This is nitrogen, if, and this is nitrogen. Okay, this is, and this is also nitrogen, means 3 nitrogen present within the ring is called triazoles. Okay, and this is the aromatic. Okay, okay, so you can see, I think in this it will be discussed like that. This is the triazole, this is the triazole, this is 1 2 4 triazoles, and it is another form is 1 2 3 triazoles. Okay, two types of triazoles, 1 2 3 and 1 2 4. Okay, so we'll discuss step by step. First of all, you should be know about the how azoles and triazole antifungal agents inhibit the ergosterol biosynthesis. Okay, so this is the squalene. This is the squalene, you can see here, and squalene 2,3 epoxide, means this ring by chemical reactions from squalene 2,3 epoxide, which is converted to linosterol, means this epoxide further degraded and formation of cyclic ring takes place here. Okay, linosterol converted to 4,1,4,14 dimethyl gymosterol. Okay, so in this there FLU and ITRA and VOR. It is the side representation of different drugs. Okay, which which act here. Okay, by which 4,14 dimethyl gymosterol is not converted to gymosterol. Okay, and gymosterol, because gymosterol is very important precursor of ergosterol. Okay, so when drugs will bind here, the synthesis of gymosterol will be inhibited. Okay, so that's why it will not synthesize the ergosterol. Okay, so similarly you can see in this 24 methylene dihydrolinosterol, in which it also bind from this step, means it will not synthesize up to cipollinol, which is very important point for conversion to 4-methyl ferrosterol, because this molecule is very important for ergosterol synthesis. So when you will block this one, then, or you can say when these drug block this step, it will not synthesize, by which the formation of ergosterol will be inhibited. Okay, so when ergosterol will be inhibited, the cell become leaky. So that's why when cell membrane synthesis will be stopped, cell death will be caused. Okay, so ergosterol biosynthesis from squalene. Okay, so main component is squalene. Conversion takes place uh, and different types of antifungal targeted these steps by which ergosterol will not synthesized. Okay, so okay, so we will, so azoles are antifungal agents, are the largest class of synthetic and antimycotics. Myco, when myco word is included means it is related to antifungal. Okay, sorry, it is related to fungal species. Okay, about 20 agents on the market today means 20 agents is available in the market. Okay, some used topically to treat superficial dermatophytic and yeast infections. Okay, so topically used means you can apply on the surface of the skin, superficial dermatophytic. Okay, using for yeast infections. Other used systematically to treat severe fungal infections. Antifungal activity stems from the presence of our aromatic five-membered heterocycline, either imidazole or triazole. Okay, so imidazole and triazole are the important antifungal agents, and due to presence of aromatic five-membered heterocycles, it is very important escape moiety for these drugs. Okay, the first member of this class were highly substituted imidazoles. Okay, so imidazole ring is present in the clotrimazole and meconazole. Okay, so in these drugs, imidazole is present. Okay, which is five-membered heterocycles and were not absorbed orally. Okay, आप orally इसको नहीं दे सकते. Ketoconazole introduced in 1944, 1984. Sorry for that. It is very important drug. Ketoconazole, introduced in 1984, was the first effective oral therapy for candida. Okay, so आपका जो ketoconazole drug है, which is applied for specific species candida. Structure activity study revealed the imidazole can be replaced by biosteric triazole without affecting the antifungal activity. Okay, so different studies also revealed that if you replace imidazole by a triazole, then antifungal activity will be same. Okay, means their antifungal activity will not affect. Okay, but achieving higher selectivity of the fungal targets means it will shows the higher antifungal activity as compared to imidazole. Okay, itraconazole and fluconazole are more potent. Okay, it is a type of ketoconazole, but different substituent is different in this tetrazoles antifungal drugs. Itraconazole and fluconazoles are more potent, less toxic, and provide effective oral therapy. Okay, for many systematic fungal infections. Okay. So these are the some advanced drug, itraconazole and fluconazoles. Okay, and it is less toxic as compared to previous one. Okay, so these two are the triazoles. Another triazoles has been recently introduced, oriconazoles. Okay, so it is the advanced drug as compared to previous one. Okay, that's it. Amphotericin B is usually preferred drug for life-threatening systemic fungal infections. It is still gold standard, but amphotericin is very effective as compared to these triazoles in this one. Okay, so it is also called gold standard. Okay, mechanism. If you talk about the mechanism of action, these imidazole and triazole inhibit CYP450 protein alpha demethylase. It is very important enzymes of in fungal cell. Okay, and these enzyme involve the conversion of linosterol to ergosterol. Okay, you can see this one. This is the linosterol, the linosterol to ergosterol means for this conversion from this one, this enzyme play very important role, and the okay, so these imidazoles inhibit this enzyme by which this step will be blocked. This step will be blocked. Okay, other P450 sterol biosynthesis may be affected. The basic nitrogen of the azole forms a tight bond. Okay, with the heme iron of the fungal P450. Okay, means nitrogen play very important role in this azole ring. Okay, which binds tightly to the enzymes heme iron of the fungal P450, preventing substrate oxygen binding. Okay, so inhibition of the C14 alpha demethylate result in accumulation of sterols. Okay, so accumulation of estrol is still bearing C14 methyl group, changing the exact shape and physical properties of the membrane, causing permeability changes and malfunction of the membrane implant proteins. Okay, so by this resulting आपका result क्या हुआ, cell become leaky. Okay, so this is the physiology, you can say pharmacological activity of azoles, imidazoles. Okay, so they have lower affinity for mammalian P450s. Okay, these the effect is fungistatic, means okay, but maybe fungicidal at higher concentration. There are two terms. Fungistatic means they prevent the growth of fungal cell. Fungicidal means they kill the fungal cell directly. Okay, at higher concentration. So linosterol, this is the linosterol, this is the ergosterol. Difference is only this. This is the one reduced. This is the double bond. Okay, and these fragment is present extra as compared to ergosterol. Okay, you can see this double bond will be okay. So some changes, structural changes is present in ergosterol as compared to linosterol. Okay, so for this conversion, linosterol means ergosterol means for conversion of this one to this one, P450 enzymes takes place and it is inhibited by these drugs. Okay, by which conversion do not takes place, linosterol to ergosterol, by which it is very important component of cell membrane. Okay, so that is by inhibition of this molecule, cell becomes leaky. Okay, spectrum and uses of azoles and triazole antifungals. Okay, so if you talk about this, this is the means this is the basic moiety of the triazole antifungal. Okay, yeah, you can say azoles. Okay, so in azoles this is the common ring. Okay, uh, this is the, and the structure will be, this is the actually this one, this one, this moiety is actually, you can add this moiety. Okay, so sorry for that, actually, so if you see the structure of azoles, then what happened here, this is the whole structure. Okay, this is the, you can say, basic structure of this azoles, but difference is r. Okay, so if r is this one, then this drug will means will call the miconazoles. Okay, and if r is this one, then it is called iconazole. This is oxyconazole, this is the sulconazole, and this is the teoconazoles. Okay, so these are the some drugs, azoles type of drugs. Okay, and this is the basic structure, only difference is r. Okay, so depending on the r groups, these drugs, different types of name is given for these drugs. Okay, so five azo, this is the five azole antifungals: micaconazole, iconazole, oxyconazole, sulconazole, and teoconazole. Share a common general structure but differ for the additional structure element attached to the central methylene carbon. Okay, all five antifungal are used for topical application, means it is applied superficially. Okay, so it is the my lecture which I have explained all these types of azoles, functioning of azoles and triazoles, and in the next lecture we will discuss step by step what is the qualities of miconazole and structure of miconazole, side effects of miconazoles, okay. So all will discuss in the later means after this lecture. Okay, so thank you, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe also. Okay, so thank you for all.